Hello lovelies, welcome back again to another amazing recipe. Today I share with you the simple Ghanaian Fante KENKEY or mashed kenkey recipe with you all. If you really want to gain weight at the right places, then trust me, this mashed kenkey recipe is the best option ever. Alright, so if today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. Okay, so to begin with this smoothie, all you need is your Fante KENKEY. I have the recipe on my channel. I will leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. Alright, so next on my list, I'm also going to be needing fresh bananas. Trust me, this is so important in this recipe. Moving forward, I'm also going to be needing some roasted peanuts. You can as well use the paste one if that is what you have. Okay, next on my list, I'm also going to be using fresh milk. This recipe is filled with goodies, trust me, and you are definitely going to love it. I'll also go in with some evaporated milk, and trust me, it was a game changer. And for my sweetener of choice, I'm also going to be using dates. You can as well use any sweetener of your choice. I added in a little bit of sugar as well and some ice cubes to give the mashed cake extra coldness, trust me. So now let's begin with this whole deliciousness. Alright, so to start with, I've washed and cut my kenkey very nicely into cubes. Next, into a clean blender, I'm going to be adding in my chopped kenkey, and I'm also going to go in with a little bit of roasted peanuts. I'll add in my sugar, and don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. I'll go in with my bananas as well, my dates. Moving forward, I'll go in with my fresh milk as well. Next, I'm also going to be adding in my ice cubes, and I'll cover it, allow it to blend until it's nice and smooth. So after blending everything, all that is left is to start to serve yourself. This recipe is so easy to put together, and trust me, the outcome will amaze you. I hope you're going to try this recipe and you are going to love it. So mashed cake is always enjoyed with some roasted peanuts and milk. If you don't have, you can just enjoy it just like that and you are good to go. Because way back in SHS in Asante Mampo, we did enjoy mashed cake with just sugar, and sometimes if you have some needle or some roasted peanuts just like this, you just have to celebrate that day very well, because trust me, mashed cake is such a delicious smoothie and you are going to love it. And trust me, if you add in some chopped bananas as well to your smoothie or your mashed cake, trust me, it is a game changer. And I really enjoyed this combo very well. Try this one and thank me later. I went in with some ice cubes because why not? It was very hot in the afternoon and I did enjoy it myself. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this Fante KENKEY smoothie recipe with you all. It's such a deliciousness and I hope you're going to try. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoy to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching.